Hi guys, we're gonna do a tour around the farm. So let's begin here at the chickens.
And the goat.
Yeah, and the goat. We're gonna first show the chickens, then the goats. Did you hear that? That was the goat. She's cute, very cute. But we're gonna show the chickens first. We're gonna show the chickens first. There's chickens. Chicken, banana, chicken. There's chickens all around the farm. So there's chicken, there's a chicken. There's chicken in here. There. And there's the girl again.
Okay guys, here's my goat. We got 2 goats.
Here, okay guys, here is the keys. They're just under the trampoline now.
Oh, by the way guys, my goat's name is Bucky. Don't worry, of course.
Yes. So there's the other chickens. We're gonna show the other farm animals now.
Yeah.
The horses is
not
gone. They
Salad.
Yeah, they sell it just for a cute goat. Here's the goat. Okay.
So go up down and push.
There's the goat. She climbed on. There's her face. She's cute. There's a little horn. She's an oi. There's a chicken again. There's the boss chicken. There's the boss of the. And here's the other one. Oh, it's out of the gates now. But here is the other animals. There's also there on the roof.